Hello guys, this is a tour of room 405 at Town Place Suites, Orlando Airport. When you walk in, you have your full-length mirror. As you can see myself in it. You also have like little decorations on the wall, the light switch. Then you have the information on the back of the door, check in, check out, safety information. A refrigerator. Took me a minute to figure out how to open it. All right, and we're looking inside the refrigerator. Nice size refrigerator and new appliances. Cabinets. And then as you can see, a sink. You have where your trash goes. You have a dishwasher. The stove. Microwave. And it's fully stocked. You have paper towels. You have cups, glasses, a coffee maker. Everything you need to make coffee. Then this is the closet area. You have your ironing board, your iron, shelves. This room is great if you're going to be staying for like a week or so. For longer stays, you're safe. A nice size safe. Then you have baskets. Nice closet area. And then when you walk into the room, first thing you see is a table and chairs, dinette set. And then that's your thermostat. And that's a double queen bed. You can see the artwork on the walls, which was really nice. Yeah. You have a nice little chase and nice size television. The decor in the room was really nice. And everything was really clean, which is what I like. And then you have plugs on both sides of the bed. You also have USB-C and regular plugs next to the bed. Your remote control, your alarm clock, phone. Light switches are on the sides there. You also see the USB and then the regular US plugs. Really nice. The beds were really comfortable too, firm mattresses. Another outlet, which is good if you have a CPAP machine. And then when you walk in, beautiful bathroom. Extremely clean, nice big mirror, your faucet, drawers for storage, extra towels, the trash of course, extra toilet paper, and then a nice size shower. And it came with shower gels and shampoos and conditioner. And then you have some hooks. I love this shelf right here because you can put stuff right there and you can reach your towel easily. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See you when I see you.